Here is a 2014 Chevy Cruze. Customer contacted me about a shopping cart that hit it, he believes. As you can see, the damage is very sharp on the fender, on the front tip there, as well as back towards the door. And when I pan across this area here, you'll see in a second, right here, the depth of the damage. Very deep. This is actually a customer's vehicle for a lease return, so they just didn't want to be charged to have to repair the fender and get it repainted. As you can see, there's a little bit of texture towards the rear of the fender where it was very sharp, but overall this repair looked excellent and saved the customer money. If your vehicle is in need of this type of repair, you can contact me, 860-751-2399.